Welcome to Feature Teacher, presented by Thomas Buick GMC in Coburg. Throughout this series, we will be demonstrating several industry-leading features within our Buick and GMC lineup.
The GMC Terrain, manufactured in 2018 or newer, has a very unique feature that maximizes cargo space. The folding front and rear seats in the GMC Terrain allow customers in the compact SUV market to maximize their vehicle's potential with cargo space that will hold items up to 8 feet in length. The two clearly labeled levers in the rear of the vehicle allow the seats to be folded flat with ease. In just a few short moments, the cargo space has nearly tripled to 81 cubic feet of storage. A handy lever located on the side of the seat just below the seat back makes folding the front seat just as easy as the back seats. There are 3 settings for folding down the front seat once the lever is engaged. This is perfect for all different kinds of cargo. This video demonstrates exactly how easy it is to transform a 5-passenger compact SUV into the ideal vehicle for cargo transport.